Alright, well that was an adventurous Saturday that we didn't really film anything of.
Yeah, I'll get out of here.
Truck's just out there idling.
I'm warming it up. So when I get in, my seat warmers are really hot. And I just melt.
How confident are we that these little straps are going to hold this big heavy thing?
None at all.
350-pound working load.
350 pounds?
Yeah.
We don't use
two
a-
of them.
I mean, okay.
How much do we think this thing weighs?
300 pounds.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Pop says it's good.
Actually, you know what?
I don't see it being that heavy.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Because that gives us some lift.
Oh, you want to pull it up? We're gonna back down and back up.
Yeah. So I don't know how much lift we got before we run out.
Oh, I thought we were gonna lift up. He was gonna drive straight out.
I don't know how much more lift I have in it before we run out. That's
not much.
That's what I'm getting at. All right.
And we went down. Okay.
Ready?
No.
That was a lot better than I thought it would be. There you go.
You want to wiggle jiggle it?
No, pull the truck out.
Oh,
Run away.
a little jangle.
Run away as fast as you can. Oh my God, it's so slow.
Smells like a shitty Dage.
See, Dage?
Where's the little pallets at? I thought we
We
had.
put it out in the shed, remember?
Oh, yeah.
No, I thought I saw them in the yard.
No, grab the the rolly carts.
Oh, the real
The wheel dollies.
That'll work.
Yeah, let's roll it around the garage and fun like that for a while.
Put one right on under the pan.
You think it'll balance on the one?
And didn't put them away.
I think that was you.
No. I put them all back.
We haven't moved them since then.
I wonder if one of these have a handle mill installed.
They all have handles.
Do they? Nice.
You're just grabbing the wrong end.
That's it.
Yeah, I'd like.
You probably rather just spin it and catch just the.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Wheels too good. Are you just gonna do one?
I think so.
Yeah.
I would go towards the front more. So that's where your weight is.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
We'll watch the bolt heads.
That's what I'm doing. Am I clear on that side?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm good on my side. Alright, slow.
I'm hitting the front.
Oh, the load's off.
They ain't gonna fall off. I like it.
Maybe we can move it around pretty nice.
Yeah, that's because I don't know when we're gonna get the Ramptruck in, but
You want to just roll back up?
even your truck was like, and I'm done.
It's warm.
And it's not, but.
All of $1 worth of gas. Except for Pennsylvania, it's $30.
No, 350 something for diesel up there.
I know. I had to fill up when I rescued the pony.
Oh, that's terrible.
$3.55.
This is
Those are
drove
not
all
huge.
over the fucking place in PA.
Dude, this transmission's freaking huge. Oh, not there.
Yeah. It's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. How much?
$500. That's how much. Hold on. It's so slow and there's no weight on it.
I'm trying to put weight on it. Hang the hammock up.
Where is it?
Hammock somewhere.
I haven't
It's on
seen
It's
it.
hanging back there somewhere on one of the
I
walls.
think it's on
And my speaker's still hanging back there.
There's a lot of things back there. Granbury just got his backpack. It's been there for like 2 years.
I was wondering where my speaker went.
Yeah.
I remember hanging it there. Now.
Yeah, Joe's hammock, I think, actually is right there.
It's
Oh, it is, yeah, it's hanging from the lift.
Yeah, it's on the cherry.
I said it used to be on the cherry picker, but we moved to the cherry picker over here and it disappeared.
No, it's still on it. It's a good hammock. It's a trusty hammock.
I have a great one just like it.
It's done me 3 deployments, so.
So what did we get, Wilson? What did you do today? You didn't film anything.
I didn't.
It's okay, we filmed when we got all the way back to get Granberry's truck, and that was it.
So I was driving up there and I was like, yeah, I should probably turn my phone on and film this. And I was like, nope.
Could have taken a GoPro too, there's like 3 of them laying around.
We got a lot of stuff today.
We did, why don't you show us what you got?
We got some Ramptruck parts.
And it's my favorite color.
I got a starter,
A new starter.
a new starter, a spacer hub
Which apparently we need that.
for, well,
Oh,
that's on
the flywheel's in the housing. Yeah. We got a flywheel housing.
for the spacer hub for the flywheel,
Which is awesome.
which we need, and an adapter plate to go from our Cummins motor to an Allison. I picked up an Allison.
545?
Yes.
So this is an old 4-speed transmission, all mechanical. Just what? 3 sensors? 2 sensors?
It's a parking sensor, a neutral safety switch, a speed thing.
Where's the speed thing?
No.
This might be the speed. I don't know.
So how much did all that awesomeness cost us?
$500
That's way cheaper than my day.
and $200 for my 8-hour trip. No, I'm just kidding.
But yeah, so I don't know what kind of episode this is going to be, because I have no idea how I'm going to edit this. I literally have like probably 20 minutes of footage, so. All right, so we got the Ramptruck in. I'm going to get up underneath there tonight, or today, or whatever it is, and we're going to try and get the transmission up there and situated and figure out exactly how we want to do this, and then we'll build some mounts at some point. But we need to go figure out what bolts and everything we need under there and take a look at what we're dealing with. I'm gonna grab, well, basically one of these bolts. Which seem to be a little small for what we're doing here. One of these seem to be more like it, which I really hope it's not these, because I don't have a whole bunch of these. Alright. Let's go on into the danger zone. Whew. I've not been under this pig in a while. Yeah, she look. Oh god, none of the freaking bolts are in this thing. Oh, that gets tight. Okay, that's uncool. Alright, so the transmission, oh wow. I don't see this fitting at all. Alright, so the transmission bracket's going to have to come out, obviously. Yeah, alright, so of course there's no freaking hardware here.
Hardware for what?
Anything. Alright, so that is the bolt. Great. And this is falling off my head. Alright, so we just need to find some more of those. Alright, I need that.
I'm just gonna slide it to you so you know.
Easy now.
Right on the face, the mating surface.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
What is that?
I said, get the fuck out of here with that. Oh shit, this is heavy. Alright, hey, I got it, I guess. I'm fucking not happy about it, but I got it.
I'm sitting happy about it.
Alright, so that's the side. Fuck me. Oh, there's no fucking way, bro. There is
No, bro.
no fucking
Oh, no way. You gotta go way up. You gotta chop that whole entire tongue.
God damn it.
You gotta cut it all up.
There's just no way.
Ooh, we're cutting the entire firewall.
Oh, I didn't want to do that.
Remember how you didn't want to do a back half?
Oh, I know.
We did the back half.
Oh, I'm fully aware.
Probably gonna need some new shocks for it.
Oh, it needs a lot of things.
Get the torch. I'll pull the carpet. You have to cut it. Well, maybe not all of it. Well, looks like all of it. You have to cut to the frame, to each side, pretty much.
It's a lot. Because we can't really afford to go forward any.
Nope.
I mean, it's close. What's it hitting on?
Right there.
Yeah, it's hitting on those big mounts, but it doesn't get getting skinnier, really. Alright, so this is not going to work. Watch yourself. Put this down.
Cool. Don't hit yourself. Got the camera on, you know what to do. This isn't cast, right?
It's cast aluminum.
No, it can break.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go. I was just going to leave it sit there for a second.
Very cool.
Collect my thoughts.
It's sliding.
Yeah, you moved it, so now it's
There it
all
goes.
over the place.
It's perfect.
Well, this is exactly what I didn't want.
If it was easy, everybody would do it.
Listen, I knew this was
Motivation.
a real probable scenario.
Okay, all right.
I'm not surprised.
You want to be great.
I am disappointed. There's a difference.
Or you can box the frame.
I wasn't planning on it.
In order, well, we just cut it from the inside.
Where do you cut?
Drill a hole.
That's what I'm saying.
And then cut around the hole.
Where do you cut? Where do you start?
In the middle. Right there. The part that's hitting.
Because what I want to do, if we're going to do it, because I don't want to fucking build a whole new tunnel, is I want to cut,
Just
basically cut it around wherever and then lift it up some.
the entire tunnel.
Yeah, and then re-massage it, you know what I mean?
Then you just cut the
I
tunnel.
want to do as little as possible because we still want to get the Cadillac interior to fit in it.
We need to go look at the Cadillac interior.
Well, no, I know what it looks like. So as minimal cutting and moving around as we can do. Also,
But if
we
there's-
don't want to get into too much of the floorboard over here because this is where your feet are going.
Facts.
So it looks like we're gonna have to gut the interior. I mean, that was
Right.
always
That was always planned
It was
anyway.
always going to be a deal, but
But is there a center console all the way up in the Cadillac?
I don't remember. There's gonna be in this truck.
What, armrest?
No, I will make the center console come. I don't know. We'll have to look.
Yeah, we have to.
All right, just go on out, and then I'll take that with you. Well, you got it.
It breaks.
So how close is the gas pedal to the?
Yeah, you got a little bit. Not your own.
Yeah, and there's plenty of room for that pedal to go closer to the brake.
Oh, yeah.
It's like miles of room compared to the Cadillac.
Hey, actually, just move everything over.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then you're like this.
yeah. So yeah, we'll burn that bridge as we get over there.